Okay. Magandang araw sa atin lahat mga kababayan. Saan man panig kayo ng daigdig naron. Dito na naman tayo sa another episode ng ating vlogs, Badong Aratilis po. Ito po, no, narito po tayo ngayon sa ah, House of Representatives. Nagbotohan na po sila. Panoorin po natin yung botohan na naganap ngayon sa House of Representatives. Magwan lang po kayo. Alam ko po hindi pa maganda yung setup kasi bago lang po itong mga ano natin. Hindi pa po ako nakakagamit ngayon ng mga setup natin na bago. Magwan lang po kayo kung okay naman, naririnig nyo naman. Hello, hello, test mic. Yan. So, pakinggan muna natin ngayon. Ito pong botohan na katatapos-tapos lang na naganap yung botohan. Tapos mamaya panonoorin naman natin yung yun pong naganap naman po sa Senado na kudeta. Ito po. So, ito na po yung botohan. Mainit-init pa po to. Pakinggan po natin tong mga congressman kung ilan po ang bumoto laban po sa... Bakit ka lalabas na, Regine?
Kaya, next week pa kayo? Kayo ba kayo, March? Yeah. Or only when needed.
Muli po ang aking pagpapaalala sa lahat ng pagpapanatili ng kaayusan at paggalang sa proseso na ating kapulungan sa pagpapatuloy ng sesyon ng plenaryo. Sa pag-anunsyo ng resulta ng desisyon ng miyembro ng House of Representatives, mahigpit pong ipinagbabawal ang anumang pagpapakita ng pagsasang-ayon o pagtutol tulad ng pagpalakpak, pagsigaw, pagpapakita ng mga placard o anumang kahalintulad na kilos sa loob ng bulwagan at sa galeriya. Hinihiling po natin ang pakikisa ng lahat upang mapanatili ang dignidad at wastong decorum sa kapulungan at sa lahat ng oras. With 255 members voting in the affirmative, 26 against, 9 abstention, House Resolution number 989, together with the findings, conclusion, recommendations contained in Committee Report number 261 are hereby adopted. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Representative Bienvenido M. Abante Jr. of the 6th District of Manila to explain his vote.
Representative Abante, 6th District Manila is hereby recognized. Thank you, Majority.
Masama po yung botohan, 255. Pero kasadong-kasado na po yan eh, no? Pero dito po tayo sa Senado, nakita po natin, hindi na po tayo nalungkot dito sa 255 kasi overjoyed na po tayo rito po sa resulta sa Senado, no? Nagpakita na rin po si Senator Bato dyan po sa Senado ngayon at nagkaroon pa po ng konting drama. Siguro mas maganda po na panoorin na lang po natin itong sa naganap po sa Senado. Ayan po, 255 po ang boto pabor po sa impeachment ni BP Sara. So sa ikalawang pagkakataon po ay na-impeach na naman ng House of Representatives si Sara Duterte. Pero ganun pa man, masarap naman po ang pakiramdam natin kasi po napalitan na po si Tito Soto dito po sa Senate. Ito po, panoorin po natin. Ito pong naganap na to sa Senate na sa tingin po natin ay mas masaya kaysa po dito sa naganap sa House of Representatives. Panoorin at pakinggan po natin tong drama na to sa Senado at mamaya po yung reaction po natin.
The minority leader.
I refer to Senator Joel who will make a motion, Mr. President.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
Mr. President, under our rules that takes precedence, we'll have to vote on it. We'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of Senator Joel Villanueva.
So a roll call vote is in order. The secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized before. Because once we start the vote, we cannot recognize
Yes, Mr.
anyone.
President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
The motion is all positions vacant by
Which positions? Just for the record, Mr. President. All positions of elected of the leadership. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Umihirit pa si Keiko,
All right,
akala niya
the
ligtas
secretary
siya.
will conduct a roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. A vote in agreement is a yes, and a no for the other side. You go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian,
Excuse me. We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
yes sir. Yes, sir.
Ulitin mo.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero,
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Hontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Subiri, Senate President Soto.
No.
Yari ka, Soto.
Yeah, ano?
Ayan po, tinatali na po, pinadeclare po na all seats, lahat ng chairmanship ay pinabakante po ng minority.
With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
With that, Mr. President, may I move, therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am, the position is already vacant. I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.
Yun kasi hindi mo kasi hindi mo kasi nag pinalo yung yung martelyo mo na para sabihin na pababa ka. Yun ang problema nito ni Tito Soto eh. Kaya lang, masaya na tayo, tanggal na siya.
Yes, with the session resumed, may I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Any objection? There being none, the motion of Senator Amy Marcos is hereby approved. Please proceed.
Mr. President, may we also nominate Senator Joel as the temporary or acting majority leader?
There is a motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that Senator Joel Villanueva be made an acting majority floor leader. Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, there was a nomination by Senator Amy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr. President, that there's no objection, Mr. President. And so I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
Is there an objection? There being none, the period, yes, is that an objection, Senator Pangilinan?
We do not object because we do not have the numbers, but we would like to manifest our serious reservations, Mr. President, for the record.
Noted, Senator Pangilinan. There is a pending motion by Senator Villanueva to close the period of nomination. Is there any objection? There being none, motion is hereby approved. Majority Leader.
May we ask, Mr. President, the newly elected Senate President to take his oath, Mr. President, and suspend the session.
Session is hereby suspended.